Alright, today we're learning what is called molar mass. So there's that word mole. It's going to come back quite a bit now that you know what it is. But molar mass is referring to the mass of a substance in 1 mole. And you will use the AMU, or atomic mass unit, or mass number from the periodic table. Okay, so what I'm going to ask you to do today is look at a formula and see if you can determine the molar mass. So it's how much there is in 1 mole of some element or elements on the periodic table. Okay? Alright, so the first formula, this is called sulfur dioxide, SO2. So what I need you to do is look up the AMU, which is the location of the mass number for sulfur, and I like to round to 2 decimal places, so we'll call it 32.01. For oxygen, the 15.99, it's just easier if you round that to 16 or 16.00. And then because the formula has 2 oxygens, you multiply the 16 times 2. So right now we have 32.01 and 32, and then what you need to do is add those together. So the total is 64.01 grams. That is the molar mass for sulfur dioxide. Not too bad, right? Okay, now how about for PVC, which is polyvinyl chloride, which is found in plastics, and the formula is C2H3Cl. So C is carbon, and its AMU is 12.01, so you times it by 2 because there's 2 C's in the formula, and that comes out to 24.02. Hydrogen is 1.00, or you could round that to 1.01, that's fine. You have 3 of them, so you need to multiply that by 3, and we get 3.00. Chlorine, 35.45, and there's no number next to it, so you don't need to multiply it by anything, so it stays as 35.45. Add them up, you get 62.47 grams. So that is the molar mass of PVC. So it's how much there is in 1 mole. Okay, and finally we have calcite, which is found in marble, limestone, pearls, chalk, and shells of marine animals. So it's a white substance. Formula is CaCO3. Ca is calcium. If you look it up, it's 40.01 grams. Carbon, 12.01 grams. Oxygen, remember, is 15.9, but we round it to 16. You have 3 of them in the formula, so that comes out to 48 grams. The total molar mass is 100.02 grams.